2026 CR 007209 State versus Jose Mesa. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Yes, Judge. Representative State. Contravening of accused.
All right, is there an application?
There is.
Probation, there's an application. Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Mesa, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
I do.
State proceeding as presented.
We are good.
Mr. Mesa, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with harassment of a public servant. That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. If the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, he has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense? Mr. Mesa, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's a $1,000 fine to be probated. State recommends deferred adjudication. They're taking in consideration 2026 CC 002683. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
State defense is at the plea.
That is a plea, Judge. It is.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Any such motions? Outside the agreement, the state is recommending your community supervision be for a term of 4 years. There be 100 hours of community service restitution, a TAP evaluation, no contact with the listed address, the DOEP course, MRT, and anger management. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contact.
State any evidence.
Judge, we are still exhibit number 1, including all text. No objections.
All right, did your state you may be excused?
Thank
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. Court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, we are.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No.
All right, so what happened to your hands?
This was after a bad phone call. I hit the wall,
Okay,
and this was I was rough playing older brother before I got injured.
okay.
Actually,
So have you ever used any type of drugs? All right, so what was happening on this day? Because the location you went to, they said that they did not know you.
yeah.
Did you?
I was drunk. Was I got into a real bad argument with my girlfriend. And time I thought it was her house, but it wasn't. Yeah,
Do you have any children?
no, man.
How far did you go in school?
not far, shut down. It's the 12th grade.
All right. Do you have any family support? I know you mentioned your brother and everything, but mom, dad, anybody to help you?
It's kind of complicated, Judge.
Okay. When's the last time you had employment?
I meant 6 months ago, I was working at Walmart.
Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs. And I'm going to want the following done in custody. There's going to be a referral to felony drug court, and there's to be a TAP evaluation. We're going to sign that referral today, so felony drug court will be able to see you before the week is out, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Be completely honest with them about your alcohol and everything else, all right? I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month for 4 months, proof of employment within 60 days of release, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Take in consideration 2026 CC 002683, 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to ask that a hour be deducted for every sober support meeting completed. And I'm going to require sober support meetings 1 time per week. There should be no contact with and there's to be no possession of firearms. Probation, is there anything else?
Are you still gonna do the community service? Did I miss that?
No, community service, it's going to be 100 hours of community service restitution. And I am going to deduct 1 hour for every sober support meeting completed. And I'm ordering sober support meetings 1 time per week.
And you've got everything.
All right, thank you. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
I know.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right, if you need something, do not hesitate to let probation know about it, okay? And I'm gonna put in the system, so I'll be sure to check and see that the referral to felony drug court is completed this week, okay?
How long does that take?
The referral? Oh, the referral is gonna be signed now, and since it's Monday, they'll probably be able to see him before the week is out. It's
Okay.
quicker than a TAP evaluation.
Okay.